Hi. Today I am going to share what is better paying digitally or with the cash. When I am thinking about this topic, both digital payments and cash have their advantages. First of all, digital payments are fast, secure, and convenient because people can use or make transactions anytime using their cell phones. Moreover, they reduce the need to carry large amount of money. However, the cash is still useful in places where the internet access is limited or digital systems are unavailable. Sometimes I go to small tea shops. Still they are not updated the digital systems. So there is we pay the cash, no other options there. On the other hand, cash helps some people manage their spending more carefully. Therefore, better option depends on the situations. Although digital payments are becoming more popular in modern life. Thank you.